Welcome to the course on technical drawing. Myself Sourav Mujumdar, Assistant Professor, Department of Applied Science and Humanities, Section Mechanical Engineering, Guru Nanak Institute of Technology under JIS Group, Kolkata. So today our discussion topic is the new module as well as last module of this course, that is Introduction to CAD, and this is part 1. Okay, so let us start our discussion on CAD. So what is CAD? What is the full form of this CAD? So the full form of this CAD is computer aided drafting or drawing. Okay, so in many books it is written that is the full form of CAD is computer aided design. Okay, so that is also correct, but we are not using the term that is design, because in your course we are nothing to go for design. We only bounded on the drafting or drawing. Okay, so that's why it is better to use that is computer aided drafting or computer aided drawing. Okay, because there is a huge difference between these two terms, that is drawing and design. Okay, so drawing is the only you have to draw something, that is the drawing, but design is completely different term. Okay, so that's why we are not using this term design. Okay, so it is a tool which is used for drafting or drawing. Okay, so up to this class, what I learned, that is our syllabus, that is technical drawing. Whenever we talking about the drawing, it is kept in our mind that is there is a drawing sheet and there is lot of drawing instrument like pencil, T-square, there are a lot of scales. Okay, all these things are come in our mind, but there is another way of drawing which is very new and advanced way, that is to introduce computer in our drawing purpose. Okay, so whenever we introduce the computer, because computer is now everywhere, using computer we can do anything. Okay, so whenever we introduce computer in our drawing, so it will become more accurate, more quick. That means we draw a complex diagram in a very small time, and perfect accuracy level is very high. Okay, so what is the advantage of this CAD? See, in this CAD there is no need to your drawing sheet, you no need to your drawing instrument, you just forgot all these things. Only you have to consider on a particular software. Okay, so in the next slide I will discuss about the software, what are the different types of softwares are available for this computer aided drafting or drawing. And in our college we mainly concentrate on the software that is known as AutoCAD. Okay, all these things I will discuss later. Before going to that, first we should discuss about that is what is CAD. Why I will go for computer aided drafting? Obviously there is some advantage. So advantage I will already discuss, that is accuracy level. Due to introduction of this computer in your drawing, accuracy level will become very high. Okay, and accuracy up to 14 decimal places. Can you imagine the accuracy level? And speed, obviously whenever we do some work using computer, the speed or working time, it will become very less. Okay, we can draw a very complex drawing in a very short time. So resolving and editing drawing can be done quickly with minimum effort. Okay, because there is no need to the the human intervention. Only the human is do the drawing. You just sit in a AC room and he just and he have a he or she have a computer with him and with the proper software installation, and he can do the drawing. And reuse of drawing content can be done easily. Okay, so if I draw some part of a drawing, we can reuse that drawing again and again. Okay, so that is a very good advantage. And 3D representation and analysis. So this is a very interesting thing, that is interface checking, 3D animations, all these things are performed, okay, which can increase our visualization as well as for our easier analysis. Okay, so let us come to discuss about the application part. Okay, so application of CAD, that is, it have a wide application. Okay, in each and every engineering discipline, without CAD, okay, the drawing is not complete. So if you start from the mechanical department, obviously the design of machine elements, CNC machine tool, robots, etc., all are run using the CAD software. Similarly, if you go for automotive or automobile department, kinematic, hydraulic, steering, all these things are drawn using this software, that is CAD. If you go to the electrical, obviously electrical circuit layout, panel design, control system, etc., are done using CAD. If you go to the electronics department, obviously schematic diagram of PCs, ICs, etc., are done using the CAD. And if you go to the communication, yes, communication network, satellite, transmission, picture, etc., all these things are drawn using the CAD. If you go to the civil, architectural, obviously in the civil engineering there is a huge application like mapping, building drawing, structural design, town planning, interior decoration, multi-stored complex, etc., etc. So in the civil or architecture there is a huge application. Okay, and if you go to the aerospace, yes, in aerospace engineering, design of spacecraft, flight simulation, lifter, etc., are designed and analysis using the CAD software. And in the automotive design, obviously I have already discussed about, that is automated design. Okay, so automated design means now there is a age of computer, so all these things are operated by the computer. Okay, so this is known as automated system. Okay, so automated system means it will automatically controlled by the computer. So automatic dimensioning, generation of cross hatch area, scaling of drawing, develop section view, enlarge view in details, etc., are done in automated design. And last not the least, that is geometric modeling. So if you go to the geometric modeling, obviously generation of point, line, circle, rotation of object, all these things are done using the geometric modeling. Okay, and that's why due to this huge application of this CAD, we can say that is the knowledge of CAD is this basic skill for nowadays engineer. Okay, if you are become a good engineer, you have to be enormous knowledge on this CAD, any one of the software. Okay, so come to our next slide. Yes, so let us discuss about the how many types of CAD softwares are there. So if you start from 2D drafting system, so in 2D drafting system, that is AutoCAD, okay, General CAD Pro. Okay, so these two softwares are generally used for 2D drafting system in our oldest days. Now for mid-range 3D solid feature modeler, that is Inventor, TopSolid, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, Solid Edge, VariCAD, ArcCAD, all these things are available. And now for advanced level, there is a high-end 3D hybrid system like CAD-I, NX, Pro Engineering, etc. are available for CAD software. Okay, so but in this level, so you are from first year, so in this level we are going to discuss about this software, that is AutoCAD. Though it is a 2D drafting software, but now the 3D drawing and isometric drawing are also done in this software. Okay, so let us move to this software. So first we will go for introduction of this AutoCAD software, then one by one I will go for different command which is given in your syllabus. Okay, and then after that I will draw a drawing using command. Okay, so what is this AutoCAD? So AutoCAD is a very popular versatile drawing software that provides computer aided drafting capabilities for microcomputer. Okay, so Autodesk is a US based developer of AutoCAD software, which is the world leading supplier of CAD software package. AutoCAD is accepted as the industry standard and it is preferred by large community of CAD users in the world. Okay, so that's why we choose this AutoCAD software, because this is a very basic software for CAD. Okay, so without this knowledge you cannot go for the all this advanced software like CAD-I, NX, Pro-E. So before going to all this advanced level software, you have to go first know about this AutoCAD software, because AutoCAD is a very basic and this is industry standard, and if you go to industry, so the knowledge of AutoCAD is very much essential. Okay, so in that in there this CAD-I or Pro-E, this is not very much valuable, because all these things, this is CAD-I, Pro-E, these are all advanced level software and these are used for research and development purpose. But whenever you go to industry, they are only know about the AutoCAD. Okay, and AutoCAD is accepted by all, so that's why you have to know about this software very well, so that you will become expert of this software. Okay, so let us discuss about the application. So AutoCAD package is available for accurate and perfect drawing of engineering design. The drawing of machine parts, isometric view, assembly drawing are possible in AutoCAD. This package is also used for 2D as well as 3D drawing. Okay, so in the classification, though I have mentioned that the AutoCAD is a 2D drafting system, but this classification is applicable for whenever it will beginning. So in the beginning, AutoCAD is only applicable for 2D drafting, but due to lot of changes and lot of development in this software, now the software which is available, that is AutoCAD 2019. Okay, so now AutoCAD 2019 is also available, that is 19 version, that is 23rd version is available. Okay, so we can do the 2D as well as 3D drawing. Not only 2D, 3D, we can draw also the isometric view. Okay, so let us start discuss about some various version of AutoCAD. Okay, so that is the first version of AutoCAD, that is version 1.0, was in 1982. Okay, many updates and improvement are done constantly. Release of AutoCAD version 12 was introduced in 1992 and AutoCAD 14 release introduced in 1998, then AutoCAD 2000 in 1999, then AutoCAD 2002, 2009, 2013, then 2015, 2016, 17, 18, all these versions are available. Not only that, recently AutoCAD 19, 2019, that is version 23, has been launched by 22 March 2018, which offers a high level speed, accuracy, easy of use. AutoCAD 2019 is strictly a Windows XP and Vista program. Other higher lights are share view, DWS compare, same to AutoCAD web and mobile. So all these updates, all these versions are changed because due to simplicity, due to the user friendly. So to become the user friendly of this software, a lot of changes are going on. Okay. So but unfortunately I install in my computer, that is Windows 2007. Okay, AutoCAD 2007 is very popular and very useful software. Okay, so but in our college, that is AutoCAD 2013 is available, and AutoCAD 2018, okay, 18 is also available in our college. So don't be afraid. So if you learn if you know how to handle AutoCAD 2007, and if you know to handle 2007, you can handle 2013, 14 or 18 also. Okay, so there is not huge change in the software. Okay, so the basic commands are same, only some extra feature or extra command which is in the older version in the inside, you have to find it that, but in the latest version it is given to the icon in front of you. Okay, so this is the difference. So next, yes, that is starting with AutoCAD. So whenever we open this software, that is AutoCAD software, in front of you there is a black screen. Okay, generally black, sometimes it will become white, but generally black screen. There is a large black screen is in front of you. So that black screen is known as the drawing area or drawing space. That means on that space you have to draw. Okay, but not only that, in the drawing space there is a WCS icon is there. Okay, what is this WCS? The full form of WCS is World Coordinate System, which is situated bottom left side corner, that is like here. Okay, so bottom left corner side, this WCS icon is there. Sometimes user can change the direction of the WCS coordinate, which is known as UCS. So this coordinate system is given in the inbuilt in the software. Okay, where the horizontal axis represents the X and vertical axis represents the Y. So this X and Y coordinates is given in the software. So sometimes the users, due to their compatibility of their drawing, they can change this position of the X and Y. So whenever we change this position, we can say this system as a UCS system, that is user coordinate system, because user can change as their compatibility. So this is the WCS icon. Now come to the pickup box and crosshair. So what is this? So in the drawing space, a small rectangular or square shaped moving box is there, which is known as pickup box, and inside that box a cross, that is like a plus sign or summation sign, that is two lines which are mutually perpendicular to each other. So this is known as crosshair. So these two are operated by the movement of the mouse. Okay, in your computer, or if you use laptop, then using the touchpad of your laptop you can operate these two, that is pickup box and crosshair. You can operate this so easily. Okay, and this is useful for identification of cursor location. If you move your cursor, the location of the cursor is easily visible in front of you. Okay, now there is some menu, like the main menu that is known as, that is pull down menu, which is situated in the top of this software, that is top of this window. Okay, and there is a lot of toolbars are there, but we are not to discuss all the toolbar, because from this toolbar there is 4 to 5 toolbars are there which is mostly used. Okay, and these toolbars are, that is draw toolbar. This is very useful tool. Okay, so draw toolbar, then modify toolbar, then dimension toolbar. So these three toolbar are very useful. And there is other toolbar like standard toolbar, quick access toolbar. All these toolbars are available, and I will discuss all these toolbar in our next slide one by one. Okay, so come to our next slide. Yes, so this is the window. Whenever you open your software, so here it is AutoCAD 2014. So 2014 version is there. Whenever you open this software, so this type of screen will come in front of you. So this portion, so this is the, it is shown here at a white, but this is not a white, this is a black screen, and this rectangular portion is known as drawing space or drawing area. Okay, and top of this is file, edit, view, insert, format. All these tools are there. So this is known as the pull down menu. Okay, so, and this is known as the drawing toolbar, which is generally situated in the left hand side. This is the WCS icon or WCS or UCS icon, and this is the coordinate display. That means whenever we move this is the cross hair. Okay, whenever we this is totally depends on the movement of the mouse. Whenever we move our mouse, so this cursor will move, and here the location or coordinate of this cursor will display at here. And there is 3 layout is there, that is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, like that. And there is a command box. So this is command box. Okay, whenever I choose any command, so the information about that command is come to this command box, and you just follow the command box, that is what is asking about. If you follow, you can do your drawing, okay, very easily, because there is lot of command in the AutoCAD, so it is not possible to remember how to use, how to handle that command. This is very difficult. So what you do, you just follow the command box below. Okay, so each and every instruction or each and every step that is given here, and if you follow that step, you can easily draw the you can easily use that command. Okay, and so this is the scroll bar, and this is the status bar, and this is the properties toolbar. So all these toolbars are there. I can discuss all these things in later whenever I open the AutoCAD window. Okay, so in the next day I will open the AutoCAD window, then all these things are clear to you. So before going to that, I will discuss about the pull down menu, which is shown in our earlier slide, that is in the top of the window. There is a pull down menu is there. So let us see about what is this pull down menu and what are the tools are, what are the toolbar are there. Okay, so this menu bar display at the top screen, which hold all the commands and functions that are the heart of the AutoCAD. So all this command and all the functions which are used in the AutoCAD, all these things are given in the pull down menu bar. So if you handle and if you operate that pull down menu bar so easily, you can do your all drawing because all the comments are there. So now the question is that if all the comments are given in the pull down menu bar, so what is the function of the individual toolbar like draw toolbar, modify toolbar, etc., etc. The utilization of all these toolbar in separately, that means so that whenever you go for drawing, okay, so if the draw toolbar, that means all the drawing comments are there. Suppose we say about the modify toolbar. So modify toolbar means all the modification tool, like after drawing, if I go for any modification like erase, copy, mirror, offset, trim, etc., etc., if I go for this, that is the post drawing work. Okay, so if I go for modification after drawing, that tools are listed down here. Okay, so for our easily availability of all these commands, so then from the pull down menu we can separately make the toolbar. Okay, so this menu can be used by clicking on the menu item and then selecting appropriate commands, such as there is this 10 comments are there like file. So what is the utilization of this file? So this menu includes file new, file open, file save, print, copy, paste, etc. Okay, so all these things are done in this file. Now come to the second, that is edit. This menu provides command from interfacing with the other window application. Okay, so these are mainly used for editing purpose. Now come to the view. So the most commonly used display command. So the view commands are generally used for after drawing. Whenever I want to show the same object in some other view, okay, then only I generally use this view, like isometric view, SW isometric, NW item, all these things are there. Okay, so now come to the insert. So let you insert various blocks. So like in the insert command, so there is various tools are there. Okay, so next day whenever I open the AutoCAD screen, okay, so I will show you all these things again. And then format, you can change the font using this command. Now the tools, so various tools are available which support the drawing. Okay, and draw, like the draw toolbar. So draw, so let you select the various draw command. Okay, so in this draw the commands are there which are generally used for drawing purpose. Okay, like line, circle, etc., etc. So in the next slide I will discuss all these things again. Okay, so like in the drawing toolbar, how many tools are there? Okay, all these things. Next, dimension tool. So in the dimensions tool, that is, it provides dimension to the existing drawing. So after drawing, if I go for giving the dimension on our drawing, then only I use this dimension. Then modify. So provision of change in the existing drawing. So we can easily we can say this thing, that is modify is very important, because after drawing there is certain post drawing work is there. Okay, like erase, some portion I have to erase, some portion I want to trim, extend, all these things, or some portion I want to copy or move. Okay, all this modification purpose are there after drawing. So all these things are drawn, all these things are done, and these are done by the taking the command from this menu, draw modify menu. Okay, now the help. It has online help from the AutoCAD. The entire manual is contained in this context sensitive window based help system. Okay, so I will give you the lab manual for this AutoCAD, where all these comments are written there, how to use all these things. And besides that, if you want to get the online help, so you can use this tool. Okay, using this help you can get the help from online. Now come to the next slide, that is draw toolbar. So in the drawing toolbar, so these tools are there. Okay, so this is the draw line, so this is the line tool. Now draw the construction line. So using this tool we can do the construction line. Next, this is the polyline. Okay, then polygon, then rectangle, then this is the arc. Okay, this is the circle, and this is the recloud, this is spline. Okay, this is ellipse, this is the draw ellipse arc, this is the block. Okay, this is again, this is insert block, this is a make block, and then this is a draw point, then hatch, this is region, and this is text. Okay, so all these comments are there in the draw toolbar, and from this draw toolbar all these things are not in your syllabus. Only this line is in your syllabus. Line is there, polygon is there, rectangle is there, and circle is there. So there is 4. Oh, there is another thing, there is a hatch. So this 5 these 5 things are in your syllabus. So in the next day I will start to discuss about this 5 tool one by one. Okay, I have not discussed all these things, and how to remember all this command name. So it's very simple. In the next day, whenever I open the AutoCAD software, you can see that is whenever I just go to this command, like if I go like this. Okay, so that is if I come to the cursor in that command, the name of this command is visible. Okay, similarly if I go to this command, okay, the name of this command is visible. So in that way you can easily see that is what is this command. Okay, so then whenever you go for practice, the name of all these commands are easily remembered to you. Now come to the next command, that is modify toolbar. So in the modify toolbar, in order to modify the previous drawn model, the following toolbar are generally used. Okay, so what are the tools are there? That is, this is the erase, this is copy, mirror, offset, array, move, rotate. Okay, this is trim, extend. So all these things are there. These all are the modify toolbar. I will discuss all these things in the next day. Okay, now come to the dimension toolbar. So this toolbar gives option to specify the dimension of the drawn object. Okay, so that means after drawing we are generally use this dimension toolbar, and in this dimensions toolbar, this is the linear, this is the align. Okay, this is the radius, diameter, angle, all these things are there. And next day I will show you how to use all these tools. Okay, and yes, so this is the other 2 tools, that is called standard toolbar, and this toolbar contain all the equipments to standardize the object. Okay, and the last thing, that is the quick access toolbar. So this quick access toolbar at the top of the application window is displayed by default, and it contains frequently used command as well as the standard command for opening and saving your file. Okay, so like here, if you open your AutoCAD screen, so in the top, like here, so this is the quick access toolbars are situated here. Okay, so these are the generally used toolbars. Okay, there is a lot of toolbars are there, but that tools are generally not used, or we can say that toolbar are used for some special application. That is, whenever you go for asymmetric drawing or 3D drawing, there all other toolbars are there, but in general, we are generally use all these things. Okay, this basic tools bar we are already discussed. So today, up to this, next day I will discuss the other part, and I will discuss about the all the comments again. Okay, so thank you.